Augustine, was granted a vision of Mary and the child Jesus. Mary handed her a leather cincture and asked Monica to wear shaped cross of Saint Andrew. The image is under the care of the Intramuros administration. The image is accompanied by the miraculous image of foster father to the Christ child and husband to Mary. Saint Joseph was declared the patron of the Universal Church by Pope Pius IX in 1870. He is the patron saint of workers and father.
He is the devout care of the Ongsiaco Coanco family of Makati City. Nuestra Señora de las Flores is venerated as the Blessed Mother who blossoms with grace, purity, and divine consolation. Imelda O. Coanco, founding chairperson of the Cofradia. The idea emerged, guiding the faithful through prayer and the mysteries of Christ's life. Each bead of the rosary reflects her enduring love, protection, and intercession. After the war,
the image is from the De Aces family of San Juan City, Metro Manila. Nuestra Señora de Porteria is a title of the Blessed Virgin Mary honored in the Philippines, especially in Daraga, Albay, whereas she is the patroness of the historic Daraga Church. That Franciscan porters entrusted their work to Mary as one who opens the way to God and welcomes those who seek help. These led to the spread of devotion as Our Lady
or cathedral grandstand and steps. Our devotees straight all the way from Mapandan, Pangasinan. Nuestra Señora de Montserrat. This image is under the care of the Ancheta family, also known as La Moreneta. Is a black Madonna statue of the Virgin Mary and the Child, venerated at the Santa Maria de Montserrat Monastery in Catalonia, Spain. She is revered for the many miracles and armed forces of the Philippines. Chief of Staff, General Romeo of the Philippine Air Force, and Commodore Jeff Rene S. Nadugo, Commander, Naval Combat Engineering Brigade of the Philippine Navy, who serves as our Grand Marshal. We would also like to thank the following: His Excellency Most Reverend Charles Brown, PB, Apostolic Nuncio to the Philippines; His Eminence Jose F. Cardinal Advincula, Archbishop of the Archdiocese of Manila; Reverend Monsignor Rolando R. de la Cruz, Rector, Manila Metropolitan Cathedral; Reverend Father Biel Bautista, Assistant Rector, Manila Metropolitan; Immaculada Concepcion de Malolos. This image is under the care of the Villanueva family of the city of Malolos in Bulacan, joining us this year for the first time. Children, mothers, workers, and elders to pray the Rosary, especially during the month of October. Baluban in Porac, Miss Christine Gana, Miss Angelica Gonzalez, Miss Annette Gonzalez, Mr. Cesar Palma, Mr. Jeffrey Popatco, Miss Lilibet Villanueva, and Mr. Roberto Villanueva. The Cofradia de la Immaculada Concepcion Incorporated Board of Directors for the years 2025 to 2027 are the following: Maria Rosario A. Blardoni, Alice R. Briones, Maria Victoria Tenco Burgos, Maria Lourdes Tesoro Castañeda, Aurora E. Ismendi, Dr. Jaime C. Victoria Cojuangco Yulo. La Cofradía de la Immaculada Concepcion Incorporated is led by its officers: Chairperson Maria Victoria Cojuangco Yulo, Vice Chairperson Fe Esperanza S. Rodriguez, President Maria Lourdes Tesoro Castañeda, Vice President Lenny.
Remains steadfast in faith even in the midst of sorrow. With her tears of compassion and her gaze lifted toward God, she reminds the faithful that hope endures despite trials, and his family, especially for Vicky, continue to be remembered and felt through this sacred image. The family's devotion to Bambina Maria, pure and grace-filled child, especially chosen by God for his saving work. In her innocence and gentle obedience, Niña Maria was both personal and meaningful to the family, chosen to honor her role in their spiritual journey while celebrating the innocence, purity, and devotion of childhood, values that have always been centered to the family. Their devotion to Blessed Mother has profoundly shaped their lives, bringing strength, resilience, and unity. The family regularly gathers to pray, reflect, and seek her intercession, whether in moments of joy or in times of challenge. La Niña Maria, ipanalangin mo.
The image of Saint Anne and the child Mary is from the
Arvin Joseph G. Reyes, John Francis H. Tripon, Jomari P. Salonga, and Rafi M. Recto.
La Familia de la Virgen Maria. This devotion celebrates the family that raised Mary in a spirit of prayer, obedience to God, and